Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDJPY, US dollar, Japanese yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of USD JPY in front of us right now, and as we all know and as we can clearly see on the chart that there was a sharp fall on the chart of USD JPY yesterday, and I was super wrong. I was super wrong when I told that you should not trade on USD JPY here, because honestly speaking I also could not reap the benefit of this fall here, because I also thought that there would not be any movement on the market. Okay, so I am sorry, I apologize. Anyways, no one is 100% correct. Anyways, jokes apart, let's do the analysis first. Let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of USDJPY. What are the next best opportunities on the chart of USDJPY? So let's get started. So as you can clearly see on the chart here, that market has closed at 109.59 level. Market has closed at 109.59 level, which means that market has closed below this support. If you have watched my other videos on USDJPY, then you have a good understanding about this level, because I have been talking about this level for last 3-4 months, because 109.75 was the most crucial level for the USDJPY chart, because this level was a strong resistance before and then it became the support for the market, and market has closed below the support level. See, this is the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart of USDJPY, and sorry. Let me remove the drawings here. See, market has closed below the weekly chart here, weekly support here, and you can see that previously previously also there was severe selling pressure on USDJPY chart, but still somehow market managed always to close above the weekly support here. But yesterday market failed, so it is a big thing for the USDJPY chart, and we must see whether market is able to retain the support level or not in the coming week. So I'll not consider that this support is gone. You should consider this level as a resistance right now, because this level is extremely crucial for the chart. Therefore, I'll still consider that this is a support, and market may try to retain the support again in the coming days. So if you see market going up from here on Monday, and if you find market trading above this level on Monday again, then you should not be surprised, because this level is very important for the market, and market will try again to hold its position and trade above the level. Clear? And there was a sudden selling pressure on the USDJPY chart, and the main reason behind was the fall in the DXY or US dollar. See, this is the chart of US dollar here, and as you can see, there was a good up move in the market, and right now market is standing at 50% retracement after this fall. So yesterday when I made the video on USDJPY, market was standing here, market was here. So if we just consider this portion of the market here, or if we just forget about this, then you can see that market was extremely bullish. That's why I told you that the chance of market going down is less, because market was also standing at the 23.6% retracement. So I was hoping that market will not go down, but I was wrong. I was very much wrong, and we saw heavy selling pressure on US dollar, and as a result there was also heavy selling pressure on the chart of USDJPY. But if we look at the chart of DXY here, but right now you can see that it is standing at support. Yes, 50% retracement, plus it has a support from the trend line as well. So that is a good thing. Okay, that is a good thing. And if you look at the chart right now, then there is a possibility that market will be going up, or dollar will be going up from here, because 50% retracement is done. There is a support from the trend line. So we have got reasons to assume that market will be going up from here. So in case market goes up from here on Monday after the market opening, okay, listen to me carefully now. So just keep your one eye on the chart of US dollar always, because it has a deep impact, huge impact on the forex market. Because see, if dollar starts going up, then you will see selling pressure on euro USD, GBP USD, gold USD. And if dollar is down, if you see dollar going down, then there is a upward movement on euro USD, gold USD, GBP USD. Okay, so it has a direct impact and on the USDJPY chart as well. So wait for the market to open on Monday, and if you see dollar, US dollar going up from here taking support, then you will see USDJPY going up. And in case the selling pressure continues on the US dollar, and if you see market going down further, then you can short the market, you can short USDJPY as well. So it totally depends on the USD chart right now, because if you look at the chart of USDJPY here, then you can see that there is no proper support here right now. The only support level is this, and this support level is quite far away, 108.75, I guess. This level is quite far away. So if dollar starts falling on Monday, listen to me, if dollar starts falling on Monday, again you will see market going down and you can short the market. But the overall structure of the dollar is saying that there is a good possibility dollar going up, because it has also support right now. So if US dollar starts going up from here, then market will try to retain its position above this support again, and you can go for a buy here. So strategy is totally based on the USD chart. So if dollar, okay, if US dollar starts going up from here, and if you find market taking support above this level again, 109.75, then you can go for a buy. Okay. On the other hand, if the selling pressure continues on the USD chart, then you can short the market, you can short USDJPY as well. And if you go to the Forex sentiment meter here, you'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website abhilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. So the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 44% traders have taken short position and 55% retail traders have taken long position. Generally 90% retail traders lose money, as we all know. Uh, so I always prefer to take trades against the retail traders sentiment. But right now we can see that retail traders are also confused. They are also in dilemma. They are also not sure in which direction market will move. Okay. And if you go to the Forex calendar here, economic calendar, then you can see that on Monday we do not have any high impact news. So do not worry about any fundamentals that will be affecting the market on Monday. So keep your eye on the chart of DXY. So looking at the present condition, there is a possibility that DXY will bounce from here. If DXY bounces, then USDJPY will retain its support again above 109.75, and you can go for buy. If dollar starts falling again, short the market. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday again. Bye bye.